So next is reaction with water. So in case of reaction of metal with water, we can see metals react with water to form metal hydroxide or metal oxides and evolve hydrogen gas. For example, potassium, sodium and oxygen react with cold water. Fine. So when the reaction of sodium with water, we are getting sodium hydroxide and the production of hydrogen gas. Fine. Along with that, we can see other reaction of some other metals. Metal from magnesium to iron in the reactivity series of metal react with steam. So sodium can directly react with the cold water and it can be producing sodium hydroxide. But in case of metal from magnesium to iron in the reactivity series of metal react with steam. तो दे आर रिक्वायर्ड विथ हीटिंग, हीट करके स्टीम से प्रोडक्शन होएगा जो वाटर वेपर्स के साथ रिएक्शन करके दे विल बी प्रोड्यूसिंग पर्टिकुलर हाइड्रोक्साइड्स. फाइन. सो मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड इज गोइंग टू बी प्रोड्यूस्ड along with the production of hydrogen gas. Fine. Another is example, the tin, lead, copper, gold, silver and platinum do not react with water or steam because they are noble metals. They are not undergoing the reaction with the water even at the normal conditions or not at the kind of the steam. अगर steam heating करके करें then even at that part of time reaction is not be going to be takes place. Fine. So metals which are highly at the reactivity series can directly react with the cold water, and other metals which are moderately reactive they require steam, and the noble metal like silver, copper, gold, platinum do not react with water or steam. Fine. So next is reaction of non-metals with water. So in case of reaction of non-metal with water, generally not react with water. Non-metal generally are not undergoing with the reaction of water. Oxygen dissolve in water and this evolve substances aquatic organism. ये क्या है? And this evolve substantial amount for the aquatic organism. So we know that generally non-metals are not undergoing the reaction with water, but oxygen can dissolve in water. तो हाइड्रोजन कंबाइंड फॉर्म में मिलता है, ऑक्सीजन वाटर की फॉर्म में. तो अगेन ऑक्सीजन इज हियर इन द केस ऑफ वाटर कंबाइंड फॉर्म में अलोंग विद हाइड्रोजन. दैट प्लेज सस्टेनियस रोल फॉर द एक्वेटिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स. फाइन. इवॉल्व होएगा और एक्वेटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म से भी. जब ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है वो ऑब्वियसली क्या करते हैं, जो एनिमल्स हैं दे आर टेकिंग ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम द वाटर, बट प्लांट्स क्या कर रहे हैं, जो सी प्लांट एक्वेटिक प्लांट्स हैं दे आर evolving oxygen in the particular water. Fine. So next is chloride and another non-metal dissolve in water to form an acidic solutions. So that we in detail we are not going to do how this is going with the reaction, but we need to know that generally non-metal not undergoing with the reaction of water in the reaction with oxygen or not going with to react with the water directly, but in case of we can see that oxygen is present in the water, which is sustainably important for the produce evolved by the aquatic organism. Fine. And chloride and another non-metal dissolve in water to form acidic solution. So we have done already when oxides also of the non-metals are giving to produce acidic solution, and that will be going to turn blue litmus to red. So same is here when non-metals like chloride and another non-metal which are going to be dissolved, they can be producing acidic solutions.